up, guys? Mr. Cowboy here with another sneezing challenge. This one was suggested by Tico58051. Please subscribe to him. He's been a big help to my channel. He will be in the description below. So this is called the Crazy Sneezing Challenge. So technically, what you do is you sneeze 3 different ways. First one, you sneeze the classical achoo sound. Then the second one, you do a really high-pitched sneeze. And then the last one, you do a really obnoxious sneeze. You're supposed to be doing this 3 times for each one, but unfortunately, I don't know the time, so I'm going to be doing it once. Also, I probably look and sound pretty tired because I just woke up. Also, most of my family's asleep. Okay. The classical achoo sound first. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, sorry, buddy. I almost sneezed on him. Oh, he's a good boy. Alright. Second one, really high-pitched. Here you go. I can't do a high-pitched sound. I'm gonna try that again. That's gonna have to do. Alright, last one. Really loud and obnoxious. Achoo! Okay. Achoo! That's gonna have to do. Thank you guys a lot for subscribing and liking this video. Please remember to subscribe to the person in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Mr. Cowboy, out.